It's an initiative by our local church towards the relief of refugees and their social inclusion in our community. Our church was established by Greek refugees in 1923 with the exchange of population between Greeks and Turks. And it has grown in our local community, and it has an important part and influence in our city. A holistic approach. The Greek Evangelical Church of Katerini has a variety of activities. AZ Bible Center Christian Camp for Children in Leptokaria, Piraeus, 25 kilometers south by the coast on the way to Athens, socially grocery infrastructure, charity non-profit organizations, Sunday and summer schools, many other church committees. A holistic approach. Some of the main activities taking place at our Bible centers are study abroad, biblical tourism, Bible seminars, conferences and meetings, support camps and extreme weekends, music events, sacred ceremonies and volunteerism. And you can see some pictures of the area and our facilities. And it's a great place, and you are invited sometime to come and visit us there. 100 kilometers from Idomeni, our church is located, and we continue actions taken since February 2015, 2 missions per week, Wednesdays and Sundays, covering a minimum of 500 euros, provision of food, drinkable water, clothes, shoes, raincoats, blankets, etc. Storing New Testaments in Arabic and Farsi language, distribution only in personal cases, sharing God's love with people showing interest or with Syrian Christians. Several hours of friendly discussions, exchange of emails, Facebook in order to keep in contact, sensitivity to practical needs of refugees and especially of cases that are extremely vulnerable and unprotected, abused women, widows, children. And some of the pictures you can see, we want to respect the people who have not taken pictures of their faces. And you can see our sandwiches there in the trunk of a car. And we go to our project, that's how we call it Nehemiah project, a safe houses model in the city of Katerini. The idea of safe houses came as we strongly believe that we have to deal with a variety of individuals, those who want to urgently reunite with their close relatives and those who will ask for asylum, seeking their better future among us in the modern Greek community. Thus, we have envisaged a social inclusion program for 100 refugees that are going to stay in safe houses for at least 6 months. That's the visa, the permission duration. The safe houses provide a quality shelter, human conditions of accommodation, nutrition, clothing, logistics, health and safety, professional approach to vulnerable cases, legal procedures for the reunification of families. Since March 13, 2016, we have been already providing quality shelters in Katerini for 28 people. Last night we got 4 new people there, so the total number is 32 so far. Our purpose, social inclusion and catering for extremely vulnerable cases serving 100 individuals. The management committee, Alexandra is the coordinator, and the other people of the staff, they have been doing a great job so far. Our vision, our main purpose as a local Christian community is realistically to create a safe and peaceful environment for approximately 100 refugees with the scope to give among them a professional helping hand. The project includes the occupation of 20 safe houses that totally cover the standard housing selection criteria. Beneficiary criteria and selection process. Fully aware of the core humanitarian standards, the humanitarian response provided by our local community is appropriate and relevant to the current refugee flow. We are applying for financial aid at the right time after having spent a lot of money from our private equity as the shift is moving since March from the borders inwards. We foster a safe environment for single pregnant women and children that shall be less at risk and more resilient to illnesses and external risks or atrocities. The refugees are to be welcomed primarily by social worker and the advocate, the lawyer, in order to soothe their fear and with a view to make them aware of their rights with full access to information. The local community volunteers and team experts will learn by experience, judging from everyday needs and effective communication with the refugees. This shall make them better at covering their needs. It's a new thing for us, as for the other churches in the area. Our main target of population regarding the action is pregnant and lactating women, victims of sexual and gender-based violence, children under 5 years, women traveling unaccompanied, chronically ill, and people with special needs. We are already have already organized a plan for renting the safe houses that involves new apartments, houses, and apartments that need some kind of renovation. We're thinking of a local clinic just across, almost across the church, and helping a building. The cost of rent will be too high from what we hear, and will need a lot of renovation, so we are thinking very seriously about it. There is a budget for the project. You can see there on the picture, staff costs for 6 months 35,000 euros, nutrition 46, house rents 25,000, and operating costs, pharmaceuticals, administrative costs, and etc. 15,000, total budget 120. So grant requested 48,000, 40% of the total project cost, and 60% of the project is going to be covered by private equity and NGOs. And if there are any questions, we can try to answer. And of course, we have a relief proposal to give you later on.